how does the user, and I guess this is coming back to the question I had previously, knows that what he's doing on a blockchain is private and not necessarily Shade Protocol, but of course, please do explain how it works with you guys. But Monero or anything else, how do I know if I don't want to trust the other people who check the code. I want to know that what I'm doing is private. How can I do that? Is there such a way, or I have to be able to audit the code?
You don't have to be able to code. I think the simplest example is like for Secret Network, you can go to a block explorer. You can look at your transaction you just sent. And in the body of the message, you'll see a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Essentially, the body of the message that holds like, hey, where did they send it to? How much was sent? That's encrypted. And anyone can go on the block explorer and look at other people's transactions and be like, I don't know what's going on there, right? There's still some block metadata like the block number, timestamps. There are things that like exist because it's a network and there has to be like shared information. But at the end of the day, you can verify for yourself that this data is encrypted. And you don't have to look at the code to be able to acknowledge and see that. Now, in order to trust that the network itself and the nodes on the network can't sneak peek or somehow have like unpermissioned access to data, that takes a deeper level of skill. That does take like a coder to like truly, because it's the rules of the game are clearly outlined, but not everyone can read the rules, right? Being able to read a block explorer is kind of watching the game and seeing the outcome, but you don't know the rules that define the game, if that makes sense. So you can get halfway there, just not with as much nuance and depth as if you could actually read the rules themselves.